We call him our multi-talented scholar because he's very good with academics. Yet there are a host of competitions that he's been, representing the school. What do you have to say in terms of support from your parents?
So in my class there are several students. When I meet them, they say that they want to participate and they wish to participate. And not only that, they have the merit to do so and they can surely win. But the thing is, they have not been encouraged yet by their parents.
I always support him. He's able to manage his studies with the competitions and all. And I always make sure whether he eats proper food, he gets his proper sleep so that he can manage both the things together.
How you balance time? What are the strategies that you have in place to balance?
I ensure that I eat well, I sleep well so that it doesn't affect my concentration and my studies.
Do you think this participation in these competitions is contributing in a major way in kind of shaping your personality?
There is a competition or some exam or something that's going on. So I feel that now I have to sit, I'll study for a few hours at a stretch, and that's how it has developed a sense of discipline and consistency. Once when I was in 6th grade, I had just entered the secondary section, everything was fresh, and Vipin sir, my mentor, he had asked me to participate in a quiz competition. Since I was completely unaware, he had polished me, and since then I have been participating.